are you, Robert? How's your weekend? Qué bueno. ¿Quieres tus Cheerios? No, ¿verdad que no? No. Ready, guys? We have everyone? Yes, everybody here? Yeah. Guys ready to go to the waterfall? Yeah? Let's go check out the waterfall. All right, let's go. Tila. Guys ready? What's up? Stay with me. Yeah?
It's like it was still hard to see. I guess. I wonder why they gave her a boy name.
I don't know. Maybe her name is not a boy name. Maybe her name is Alexandra. What do you think?
I wonder why they gave her a boy name.
Monkeys or are they geese? Those are geese. Rafa, come on, Rafa. Yeah? You like the water? All right. Did you see the little baby turtles? They're cute, huh? Monte, el monte, el monte, el monte. Francisco's trying to start the El Monte Revolution for La Casa de los Sueños. Okay, guys, let's go. We're going to walk back. We're going to go to the mall, okay? Okay, sounds good. No, I take video.
Yeah, video.
Oh, are you taking down all of the decorations? Okay. Let's see what George got. What did George get for the winning? What did he get? Mario socks.